Hello my dear student. Today I am going to show you how to calculate median from a frequency distribution table. For calculation median, we need 3 columns. First one is class boundary, then frequency, then cumulative frequency. Now here our class interval that was given in this table is continuous form. So our class boundary is same. That is the reason that I am not taking another column for class boundary. So we need in median, class boundary, frequency and cumulative frequency. So first of all we have to calculate cumulative frequency against each classes. So let's start. So first is our 4, then adding 4 with 11 we found 15, then adding 15 with 19 we found 34. In this way we arrange cumulative frequency against each class interval. So lastly 50. In this way we arrange cumulative frequency. Now we have to find out median class. So how to find out, what is the procedure to find out a median class? So here our total frequency is 50. So n divided by 2. Here n is 50 divided by 2, that means we found 25. So our 25 is less than frequency 15 and more than the cumulative frequency which is next 34. Okay, so we can say that our cumulative this 25 is lie in this class, that means 34 to 45. So here is the median class. Now we can apply our formula. Here L means lower limit of the median class. So median class was 34. So our lower limit is here 35. Now n divided by 2, that means 25. Now Fm means cumulative frequency just preceding the median class. So our median class is 34, preceding class is 15. And Fm means frequency of the median class, this one, frequency of the median class, and I means length of interval, that means 25 to 15, this length is 10, so this is the class interval. So now we can apply our formula. Now L means here lower limit of the median class. So median class is 34. So here 34 is the median class. So our lower limit is here 35. So we take here 35, then plus n divided by 2 is 25. So here we take 25. Then then we put this sign. Then Fm means cumulative frequency just preceding the median class. So here this 15 is the Fm. Now our small fm means frequency of the median class. So our median class is 34. So frequency is 19. So we put here 19 into I, that means class length is 10. So after that 35 plus, after this calculation we found 5.26. Then lastly we can say that 40.26 is the answer. So this is the simple procedure to calculate median from a frequency distribution table. First of all, what we have to set? We set cumulative frequency against each classes. So how to calculate cumulative frequency? Just adding 4 with 11, then 11, 15, 11, plus 19. In this way you just adding all the frequency. Then we found cumulative frequency against each classes. After that we have to find out the median class. Now how to what is the procedure to find out the median class? That means n divided by 2, 25. So 25 is less than from cumulative frequency 15 but more than to the next cumulative frequency, that is 34. So this is our median class. Median class means this one, that means this 34 cumulative frequency lie in this class interval, that means 35 to 45. So after that calculation we put or we can apply our formula. So our formula is this: n means lower limit of the median class. So here lower limit of the median class is 35, so here we put 35, then plus n divided by 25. Fm means cumulative frequency just preceding the median class. So median class is 34, preceding means this one 15, and Fm means frequency of median class. So here put we 19, then length of the class interval. After that calculation we found 40.26. So this is a simple procedure for the calculation of median. So for today, thank you.